The things I'll be using for this video is castor oil, coconut oil, honey, banana, egg, and a blender to mix this. So this is a DIY that we are doing to use on our hair, and this is going to help promote hair growth. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I'm going to be measuring 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. This is a DIY that I made and I already have a video on it. I'm going to be leaving the link so that you can check it out. And a small amount of water to help with the blending. Now this is the paste and this is the consistency that I want. If you want your consistency to be a little bit thick, you can go ahead and do it the way you want it, how you are going to like it, but I like this consistency. So this is my hair. I've already washed my hair, so my hair is clean. So what I will be doing is use this paste on my hair. I'm going to be putting this paste throughout my hair, that is from the root to the tip. I'm going to rub my fingers in my hair, and then I'm going to make sure that every part of the hair is receiving this treatment. Banana is rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity. It prevents split ends and breakages. It controls dandruff and adds shine to hair. Castor oil, which is extracted from the castor bean, containing a fatty acid, and this helps to promote hair and scalp health. It improves moisture, reduces oxidative stress, and prevents scalp infection. Honey has emollient and humectant properties that add moisture to the hair follicles. This naturally smooths the hair shaft and restores shine and luster to frizzy, dry, curly, or dull hair. It seals in moisture to prevent future moisture loss. Coconut oil contains saturated fat which help protect hair against damage, prevent dandruff, and promote hair growth. Egg is packed with nutrition and protein that help condition, strengthen, and repair your hair. You can do this DIY once or twice in a month to make your hair glossy and help in faster hair growth. It's going to add shine and it's going to fight hair loss. After doing this DIY, I realized that my hair is very soft. I noticed a complete change in my hair. Most of my hair growth oil, I made them myself, and I already have a video of how to make coconut oil and how to make castor oil, of which I'll be leaving the link at the end of this video. And please do not forget that you put some of this treatment at the tip of the hair. That is very important because that area is most prone to atmospheric damages. So if you don't treat it, you are still going to be getting breakages, and this is going to lead to hair loss. So treat every part of your hair. Give this hair enough protein, and this is going to promote hair growth. Comb your hair throughout so that every part of your hair receive this treatment. If you haven't tried this DIY, this hair protein for your hair, give this one a try. Come and leave your comments on how your hair was when you did this treatment. Cover your hair for about 30 to 1 hour. And this is the hair that I lost. So after 30 minutes, this is how the hair is looking. I really hate the scent of egg all over my body, but all the same, this is worth it. This is how my hair is looking. Even without touching, you could see that my hair is looking soft and very shiny. So I washed my hair, and this is the next day. I'm going to use some oil on my hair, some leave-in on my hair, and a moisturizer on my hair after washing with a shampoo and a conditioner. And guys, this is how beautiful my hair is looking right now. I already have a video on how to make a leave-in. Please do well to check. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to others. Until then, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye.